Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your PC for viruses. I'll be using Windows 10. Let's get started. To check your PC for viruses on Windows 10, start by right-clicking on the Start icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Settings window. Scroll down a bit and click on Update and Security. On the left-hand side, you'll see Windows Security. Click on that. Now, you'll see various protection areas. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. This will open the Virus and Threat Protection tab, where you can perform a scan. You'll see an option for a quick scan, but I recommend doing a full scan for a thorough check. To do this, click on Scan Options. Here, you'll see several options. Select Full Scan and then click Scan Now. I won't be scanning right now because I've already scanned this computer, but this process will ensure that your PC is thoroughly checked for any viruses. If you found this video useful, please leave a like. And subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.